Past it is tense. Deep cruising my nervous itch. I'm trapped in a tiny booth. I think it's too deep in the dish. No Lutheran. And I got a pot to piss. Too damn disastrous. Who looks like the ass of this after just blasting havoc. His frequently niggas pulling in my city. Big ballers child west side of college. Your city's penitentiary. See all them demons, big ass pistols, magnums, understand me. Get down for your crown, just give me your bucket, my rappers. Nigga make it snap me, your pockets getting lethal when I gotta feed my kids, whacking niggas for my peoples and that. What the fuck you did? Cause you niggas know what's up, it's your fault. What the fuck that fault? Young ass nigga putting in work, what the fuck you thought? Cause I better
Down some shit.